Sorted pythons are placed into separate bins, ready to move to the core processing.
Each python is carefully sorted to ensure only the highest quality proceeds to the next step.
The reticulated pythons enter the core processing machines, where they will undergo a series of precise steps.
Check the scales right here. I think this one is ready for processing.
Agreed. I'll put the tag on its tail now.
Sequence initiating. Ensure the weight sensors are calibrated.
Confirmed. Loading bay clear.
The initial step is to clean and prepare the green anacondas for the next phase.
In this stage, the python's skin is carefully removed to preserve the integrity of the meat.
Look at the quality right here. It's near perfect. Yeah.
Yes, the scales have a beautiful sheen. Yeah.
We should get a good price for this one.
Pull it centralized now.
Is that enough for the first batch?
We need another 10 kilos.
Check this section here, seems a bit bruised. Aye.
Yes, trim that part off. Make sure the rest is noted as grade A.
Every piece of python meat undergoes a final check to ensure top quality before moving to the next stage. The meat is stored in a controlled environment to maintain its quality before the transformation. The python's meat is carefully extracted, ready for further processing. The python's meat is carefully extracted, ready for further processing.
Every piece of python meat undergoes a final check to ensure top quality before moving to the next stage.
This batch looks good.
Confirmed. The marbling is excellent.
This is the last one for this batch, right?
Yeah, finally. Let's get these on the belt.